Wari Abithaa Munene Murugamiriri wa Ruhonge rwa NHIF Richard Kerich hamwe na aruna ake ana riu Nimeheranirio na Ngukumio ya Mirioni 116 na Iria ciirikanaga ciarihirwo Thibitari wa Meridian Medical Center mwaka-ini wa 2011.
So the upshot of this judgment is that I find that the prosecution has failed to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt against the accused persons on all the counts that they have been charged with, and I acquit them forthwith.
Itua riu rirekereirio ni Mucirithania wa kurwa na ungumania igoti-ini ria Milimani Eunice Nyutu muthenya wa umuthi akiuga ati mwena wa Thitango Ndunaneana Wuira muiganu wa kuonania ati atano aya ni makuruhanirio na marihi ma kigina kiu na makiria ateterithia ati bodi ya ruhonge rwa NHIF ni ekiraniire ngirimiti na Thibitari wa Meridian Medical Center makirumirira watho.
False pretense as follows: any representation made by words, writing, or conduct of a matter of fact, 5 elements. That the accused person made a representation of existing or past fact to the complainant. Representation must relate to a matter of fact, either past or present, but not in the future. That the representation was false. That the representation was intended to deceive. That is, that the complainant was in fact deceived by the representation. And that the accused person made a representation of existing or past fact to the complainant.
Richard Kerich athitangirwo hamwe na maabithaa angi a NHIF David Chigi na Marwa Chacha na aria matana kuruhanio na Ngukumio ya mbeca icio kurigana na aira 39 aria mararugamitio ni mwena wa Thitango.
Richard Kerich, Marwa Chacha, David Chigi, Thitango Ndipa Warioko, and Meridian Medical Center. The charges are as follows. On the first count, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth accused persons are charged with conspiracy to defraud contrary to section 317 of the Penal Code. The particulars of the charge are that on diverse dates between December 2011 and February 2012 at NHIF building in Nairobi area within Nairobi County, the accused persons conspire together with the intent to defraud the National Hospital Insurance Fund of Kenya shillings 116 million.
Atano aya riu marekereirio kurumirira gicunji kia 210 kia Criminal Procedure Code kiria gitikiritie cira guteanirio angikorwo mwena wa Thitango nduri na wira muiganu
50 for a member plus 4 dependents. Paragraph 5(4) states that payments to the healthcare provider shall be made quarterly.
Adi-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Njohi.